Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Clarendon Park and we are going to look at what's going on here, re the opening of the highway. Now this is the main road that you would drive on to go from say Kingston to Maypen or Kingston to Mandeville, the entire south coast of Jamaica. On the right is one of the most popular spots, if not the most popular spot in Clarendon Park, which is Morris. Very popular establishment. Now, ever since the highway opened, there has been a significant decrease in the amount of traffic that passes through this area. Significant. The business people are complaining, gas stations are literally ghost towns because everybody is using the highway. Now this brings up a very important question. Highways are important. You need to be able to connect major towns. But what happens when you don't have an exit to the highway or an exit to the town from the highway and you have this kind of economic fallout? Now, most of the cars that we're passing on the road are taxi vehicles or people that live in the area. In terms of people traveling through, they use the highway. And then to make matters worse for the business places in this area, Clarendon Park, the highway is free. Now, the highway is Highway 2000 east-west leg. From Kingston to Maypen, you pay toll, but from Maypen to Mandeville, that section of the highway is free. So you don't have to pay any toll. Now this is the Juicy head office on the left, and then this is their location in Clarendon Park. As you can see, not a lot of activity. Nothing compared to the activity that was here before the highway opened. Now they're supposed to charge toll on the highway, and they're hoping that when they start to collect the toll, that there will be more traffic passing through this area because not everybody is going to want to pay the toll. Now the estimated toll is going to be around $500 at the toll gate toll plaza. So between Maypen and Mandeville or Williamsfield, so to say, you only have one toll plaza at toll gate. So that toll is going to be estimated around $500. They haven't announced it yet. Now this is the gas station at Clarendon Park. Empty. All the gas stations between Maypen and Porus, Williamsfield, are seeing a significant slowdown in traffic, in their sales. Significant. So we can only wait and see what's going to happen when they start to charge toll. But for now, these areas are like nothing compared to the level of traffic that they had before the highway opened. And this highway is going to go all the way to Negril, and then it goes to St. Elizabeth. Then from St. Elizabeth, it splits in two. One section goes to Negril, one section goes to Montego Bay. So guys, let us know what you think about what's going on in Clarendon Park and what can be done to help these areas. I think they should have more exits along the highway. So Clarendon Park should have an exit, Porus should have an exit, and all the major towns along the route should have exits or entrances. Basically, some way to get on and off the highway and go there. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Enjoy the rest of the tour. We are driving from Clarendon Park towards Porus. Alright guys, have a good day.